we guide you through how to create a PayPal business account in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is go to paypal.com and click sign up, then choose business account instead of personal to unlock features like invoicing, customer payments, and multi-user access. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and click continue. Next, provide your business details. This can be a registered company, freelance service, online shop, or even a sole proprietorship. Then type your legal name, business name, and phone number accurately to avoid verification issues later. After that, enter your business address and review everything before submitting. Now it's time to link your bank account so you can withdraw earnings and confirm your identity. Simply add your bank details and follow the quick verification process PayPal sends. To activate the free upgrade benefits, make sure you complete all profile sections, including business description and customer service info, because incomplete accounts often face payment limits. Once approved, customize your payment methods by creating invoices, generating payments link, or adding PayPal checkout to your website or online store. For extra security in 2026, immediately enable two-factor authentication in your settings to protect your transactions.